How y'all doing today? My name is Josh with Killarney Metals. I'm here with Mark from MHM Handyman Construction Services, and today we're going to be installing a dishwasher leak pan up under this dishwasher.
Step 1. Turn off the power to the dishwasher. Before removing any electrical or water connections from your appliance, be sure that safety is your top priority. Step 2. Remove the dishwasher. It's important to consult your appliance user manual to ensure that the proper steps are followed to uninstall your dishwasher. Step 3. Install your dishwasher leak pan. The pan should fit into the counter opening snug, but with enough room to get it into position safely. Step 4. Slide the dishwasher over the pan. The three-sided design on this pan allows the dishwasher to slide in without having to be lifted. Step 5. Attach all proper appliance connections. Again, consult your appliance user manual to ensure that the proper steps are followed to reinstall your dishwasher.
Big shout out to Mark, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. If you want to learn more about how to get a hold of Mark and his handyman services, go ahead and check the description below. He services the entire Charlotte metropolitan area. Just let him know that Josh from Killarney Metals sent you. For more product information and made in the US innovation, go ahead and visit us at killarneymetals.com. We'll see you next time.